China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Authority Chairman Lieutenant General retired Asim Salim Bajwa has indicated $3 billion Chinese investment in a single project in the second phase of the Gwadar Port Free Zone will help generate 3,000 jobs. Talking to media in Gwadar, the retired Army General said he reviewed the port and other CPEC related projects. Bajwa said once fully operational, the port and the free zone will help generate economic activities of around $10 billion. Soon after completion of the Gwadar free zone, a lot of manufacturing and trading activities will start. Cargoes will move and transshipment activities will increase. According to Bajwa, we will continue to monitor the development work in Gwadar till all the projects become fully operational. Announcing that all four berths of the port were operational, Gwadar Port's infrastructural development had been carried out by the China Port Holding Company at a cost of $300 million. The chairman further said during the last few months, over 67,000 metric tons of cargo had been handled at the port, comprising consignments mostly under the Afghan Transit Trade Agreement, which were later transported to Afghanistan. A vessel carrying 8,000 cubic feet of liquefied petroleum gas was due at the port on Tuesday, while another ship with 24,000 metric tons of DAP fertilizer and feed cargo for Afghanistan would arrive here from Australia, he added. According to Asim Bajwa, they had built the port handling capacity while the customs system was also in place to facilitate investors and traders. Talking about job opportunities at Gwadar Port Free Zone, he said, 6 factories had been completed, out of which 3 were fully operational. 6 others were being constructed. Port and Free Zone have helped create 1,200 direct jobs. He further said 12,000 people have been hired to build the supporting infrastructure of the port. Asim Bajwa further said second phase of Gwadar Port Free Zone would spread over 2,221 acres of land and Prime Minister Imran Khan would perform its groundbreaking. According to him, China Port Holding Company has already lined up an investor for the second phase who would need some 1,600 acres of land. The investor has pledged a direct investment of $3 billion in the single industry that would create 30,000 jobs. Asim Bajwa pointed out that East Bay Expressway would directly take the cargo from port to M8 for onward shipment to Karachi and the rest of the country. He revealed that an estimated 94% of work on the expressway have been completed, which would hopefully be inaugurated in September. The work on Gwadar Airport is also going on at a fast pace, while the technical and vocational institutes in the city would also be completed in October. The CPEC Authority Chairman said Prime Minister has specifically ordered for creating maximum job opportunities in the area with capacity building of the local youth by imparting them skill training. The CPEC chairperson thanked the Chinese president, saying that his gift of a 150-bed hospital is already under construction at the airport. He further said master plan of Gwadar city has also been approved and it is now at the implementation stage.